Hello friends, today we are dealing with the concept of metabolism. It is a set of life sustaining biochemical reactions in biological system. The main purpose of metabolism are transformation of food to energy to run cellular processes, conversion of food to building blocks for proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, and some carbohydrates, and the elimination of metabolic waste produced during metabolism. Metabolic reactions are categorized into two types, that is catabolic, which is breaking down of compounds, for example breaking of glucose to pyruvate by cellular respiration, or anabolic, that is building up or synthesis of compounds such as proteins, carbohydrate, lipids, and nucleic acids. Usually catabolism releases energy while anabolism consumes energy. Glucagon, epinephrine, aldosteroids are the stimulators of catabolism, while insulin and thyroxine promotes anabolism. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.